Mendelian Inheritance. George John Mendel. The German-Australian monk. Born in 1822 and died in 1884. Spent 8 years study of inheritance pattern of peas. Mendel carried out experiments to test inheritance patterns. He selectively crossbred common pea plants with selected traits over several generations. Tall stems versus short stems. Round peas versus wrinkled peas. Purple flowers versus white flowers, etc. Mendel discovered that the next generation, the F1, first filial generation, was comprised entirely of individuals exhibiting only one of the traits. However, when this generation was interbred, its offspring, the F2, second filial generation, showed a 3-to-1 ratio. 3 individuals had the same trait as one parent and 1 individual had the other parent's trait. In Mendel's experiment 1, the starting plants were homozygous YY or GG, the F1 generation were GY. In Mendel's experiment 2, F1 homozygous GY and GY, the F1 generation were GG, GY, or YY. Mendelian Inheritance, the Law. Law of segregation. Each individuals possess 2 units of inheritance, genes, for each characteristics, trait, and only one of these is transmitted to each offspring. Law of independent assortment. Genes at different loci segregate independently. The modes of Mendelian inheritance are autosomal, that consists of autosomal dominant, and autosomal recessive. Sex-linked, that include X and Y-linked dominant and recessive. Finally, mitochondrial, that includes acellular DNA. Based on Mendel's pea plant studies, Mendel proposed that traits are always controlled by single genes. Mendel's laws of inheritance in model became the core of classical genetics.